Welcome back to IG Garage. Have you ever encountered the dreaded P0390 error code and felt lost about what it means? If your engine's performance has taken a hit, this video is for you. We're diving deep into the cause of this code, its sensor location, and how you can fix it. Stick around, and I'll also share 2 related videos you'll find super helpful. So what does P0390 mean? This code translates to camshaft position sensor B circuit malfunction, bank 2. Your car's ECM is telling you that it's not receiving the proper signal from the camshaft position sensor B on bank 2. Now let's focus on the location. The camshaft position sensor B for bank 2 is usually found near the camshaft on the driver's side of the engine, for most V6 or V8 engines. To access it, you may need to remove the engine cover or intake manifold depending on your vehicle model. Look for a small cylindrical sensor with an electrical connector attached. It's often mounted directly on the cylinder head. Common causes of this error code include a faulty camshaft position sensor, damaged or corroded wiring and connectors, timing issues such as a stretched timing chain or belt, malfunctioning ECM. Start your troubleshooting by inspecting the sensor and its wiring. Clean any debris or corrosion and make sure the connector is secure. If that doesn't resolve the issue, you may need to test the sensor with a multimeter or consider replacing it. And that's how you handle a P0390 code. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair guides. Want to dive deeper into related topics? Check out my video on P0365, camshaft position sensor B malfunction, bank 1, and another on P0221, throttle position sensor range performance. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.